So where had a dream or a nightmare of world coming to an end? Or how would people react if a doomsday took place? So what's good people, welcome to Smart Side. We are here with the very first episode of interesting things around the world. So basically here at Smart Side we're going to provide you with some great knowledge. So before we get started, we all know that there were too many world wars, civil wars, battles, disease plagues, etc. across our globe. So this is something the world keeps on facing from time to time. But ever imagine what would happen if World War III took place? Or a disease which is more dangerous than coronavirus took place? How would people survive from that? So let's get started into our today's video. As I was saying, how would humankind survive if there was a doomsday? For example, as you guys see in the movies or currently the COVID war we are all facing, and the natural disasters, zombie apocalypse, and a lot more. Let's cross our fingers none of this happens. Now let's talk about an interesting topic, which is ViewWatch Point, which is the largest doomsday community on earth. So save yourselves from a doomsday or save yourselves in case of a doomsday. So people, ViewWatch Point is located near the Black Hills area of Dakota, which is just south of the city of Edgemont. The Black Hills Army base structures were originally built in 1942 by the Army Corps of Engineers as fortress to store bombs and munitions. Then from 1942 to 1967, when the base was completely retired, the army then had to sell it to the city of Edgemont, which in turn was sold it to the local cattle ranchers. So then since 1967, the bunkers sat empty until Weavers purchased the property and repurposed them in 2016. And now currently Weavers owns the property and the bunkers. This irreplaceable former US Army base consisting of 575 military-built concrete and steel all-risk bunkers is now repurposed and affordably priced, which is ready to provide life-saving shelter for your entire family or a group. You can visit and stay in your bunkers as often as you like. You can even live in it full-time as your primary residence or a home away from home. Within a 24-hour drive from virtually all points within the United States, Weavers X Point is strategically and centrally located in one of the safest areas of North America, which is at a high and dry altitude of 3,800 plus feet and well inland from all large bodies of water, and it is 100 miles from the nearest nuclear targets, and this can withstand up to 5 lakh pound blast. This map illustrates where you don't want to be stuck and be a victim of marauders during the aftermath following a large-scale catastrophic event. There are over 575 bunkers arranged along 100 miles of private roads, providing access to each of the bunkers strategically aligned in countless rows and sections for as far as a human eye can see. The layout provides security, protection and privacy to each bunkers. And once the last door is closed, you can stay here for over a year. So here you can create your own floor plan or choose from one of these 5 bunker floor plans. These are designed to accommodate families of 4 to 20 people with option including a great room, a kitchen, a private bedroom, full and half bedrooms, a gym, a laundry, power room, a generator and a lot more. So guys, what are your views on Viewers Point? Is there some other way to survive a doomsday? And if you have learned something valuable, please do like the video and please do subscribe to keep yourself updated for our upcoming videos. And if you want to learn different skills and also earn 2k to 6k a day simultaneously through it, I'll put a link to my Insta handle in the description. DM me there and I'll guide you how to get started. So thank you and see you in the next video.